Hi everyone, and welcome back to Scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crunchy and creamy apple slaw that's a perfect salad for summer. For this we'll need a half head of cabbage, 3 carrots, 2 green apples, 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, a half cup of raisins, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll start by rinsing our produce in the sink and soaking our raisins. Soaking our raisins will make them plump and juicy and less chewy. Next we'll whisk together our 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. This is the dressing for our apple slaw. Then we'll shred our cabbage, carrots, and apples. You can use a food processor, a mandolin, or a knife to do this. I'm going to be using a food processor with the slicer attachment for the cabbage and the shredder attachment for the carrots and apples. We'll then add those to our dressing before draining our raisins and adding them to our shredded mixture. We'll toss everything well with the dressing until it's well coated. Finally, we'll chill our apple slaw in the refrigerator for about an hour before serving. You can store your apple slaw in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.